Searching for a reliable web hosting service, one that offers top-notch features without breaking the bank? Look no further, as Hostinger is here to redefine the web hosting game. Hostinger, a world-renowned web hosting provider, brings a plethora of features to the table that are designed to meet every user's unique needs. First off, Hostinger's speed is simply unmatched. With servers spread across the globe, your website will run at lightning-fast speeds, regardless of where your audience is located. This speed ensures your website loads in the blink of an eye, providing an enjoyable browsing experience for your visitors. Next up, security. Hostinger takes security very seriously. Offering an SSL certificate for free with all hosting plans, Hostinger ensures your website is safe and secure from any potential threats. This not only protects your website, but also improves your ranking on search engines, as they prioritize secure websites. Speaking of hosting plans, Hostinger's affordability is a game changer. From the single shared hosting plan to the premium shared hosting plan, each offers an impressive suite of features at an affordable price. This makes Hostinger an ideal choice for businesses of all sizes, from startups to established enterprises. Hostinger also offers a user-friendly control panel, making it easy to manage your website. With its intuitive interface, you can handle everything from the installation of WordPress to the management of email accounts, all with a few clicks. Another standout feature of Hostinger is its stellar customer support. Available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, the Hostinger customer support team is ready to assist you with any issues or queries. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or a beginner, Hostinger's support team is there to make your web hosting experience as smooth as possible. And lastly, Hostinger offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. This shows the confidence Hostinger has in its services and provides you with peace of mind. If you're not satisfied with their service, you can simply ask for your money back, no questions asked. In a nutshell, Hostinger combines speed, security, affordability, user-friendliness, excellent customer support, and a money-back guarantee to provide a truly superior web hosting service. Curious to learn more about how Hostinger can elevate your online presence? Click below to see more.